Welcome. Before we dive in, please take a moment to read the disclaimer. It contains important information regarding the use of this tutorial. In this section, we'll explore the worksheet structure. Each worksheet will feature a report table. The table includes buttons, and you can save the data as a range. However, please note that the report will only save data from a specific row in the table. The reports utilize data in column D to generate header information for other columns. Now, let's take a look at the worksheet hyperlinks. Simply click on any worksheet name, and you will be immediately navigated to that specific worksheet table. Keep in mind that the worksheet names correspond only to the tables, not to the reports, which are located adjacent to their respective worksheet tables. To set a daily reminder message, click that Set Daily Reminder button and enter the desired time for the message to appear. Remember to specify AM or PM to ensure the reminder is set correctly. After you've entered the time, you can also input the message you want to receive. When the time arrives, the message will pop up in a dialog box. One of the key benefits of setting a reminder is to alert you and keep you updated on all your upcoming schedules or meetings. Additionally, reminders enhance time management by helping prioritize tasks effectively. They reduce stress by alleviating anxiety about forgetting commitments. Reminders also improve accountability, reinforcing your commitment to follow through. They encourage healthy habits by prompting breaks and self-care activities. Lastly, customization allows you to tailor reminders to your personal preferences, making them more relevant and effective. Here, we have the automated project Gantt worksheet. Let's discuss some advantages of using a Gantt chart. 1. It effectively visualizes project timelines. 2. It clearly shows task dependencies. 3. It enhances team collaboration and communication. 4. It facilitates better resource allocation decisions. To select a chart interval period, click the drop-down list in cell M10. This will allow you to choose the desired timeframe for your Gantt chart. When the reminder time arrives, this is how the message will appear. Simply click OK on the dialog box to acknowledge it.
Hello, welcome to this project management tutorial. Please visit my website.
To update the status of any task, click on the status in column J and select your desired option. This will automatically update the percentage bar in column K. Now, enter the employee type in cell E3 and the date range in cells F3 and F4. The total number of employees for that period will be displayed in cell G3. To view the total staff count within a different date range, simply change the dates in E5 and E6. The updated total will appear in cell F5. To see the total staff by job title for a specific date range, input the start date in F8 and the end date in F9. To identify which month has the highest staff count, adjust the dates in K3 and K4. The total will be shown in L4, with the corresponding month in L3 and the year in M3. To find out which year had the highest staff count, enter the date range in K7 and L7. Let's move on to the budget worksheet. If you want to see the total project budgets within a specific date range, simply enter the dates in cells G3 and G4. For the total of the actual project budget, just change the dates in G5 and G6 to see the updated figures. You can use D11 as a search box. When you click Search, it will first inform you of the number of empty cells and notify you if the item in D11 is not found in the table. If you clear the item in D11 and click Search, it will take you to the first empty cell in the table and highlight it in blue. You can enter a value in the highlighted cell and then click ScrollBack to return the table to its previous position. If you enter something in the table and click Search, the tool will direct you to that specific item cell. If you want to add a new row to the table, just click Add New Row. This will take you to the bottom of the table where you can enter your data, and a new row will be added. To delete an item, click Delete and enter the item name in column D only. This will remove it from the table. You can also delete a row from anywhere in the table. To save a range as a PDF, click Save as PDF. The system will prompt you to choose a folder for saving the file. Enter the name you want for the PDF file, then select the range to save, making sure not to include the table column headers. A preview of the PDF will be displayed. Just click OK to proceed. Now, navigate to the folder where the PDF was saved and open it to review the document. As you open the PDF, you'll see how it's formatted. The code automatically adjusts column widths to fit all characters in each cell. If the columns don't fit on a single page, the remaining data will transfer to the next page. To filter data within the table, click the To Filter Data button. Enter the name of the column header you wish to filter. Next, enter the name or names of the items you want to see. All other rows will be hidden. You can click the Unhide button to reveal the hidden rows again. If you enter a column header that does not exist in the table, a message will pop up stating, "Invalid column header." Please try again. To save a report, use only the items in column D of the worksheet to generate your report. If you change an ID, the system will automatically update and display the information for the new ID. Click Save as PDF and enter the name of the folder where you want the PDF to be saved, followed by the name of the PDF file. Navigate to the folder and open the PDF you just saved to review its contents. Next, click the Save as Word button. Enter the name of the folder where you want to save the document and then the name for your Word file. Now, navigate to the folder and open the Word document you just saved. To save a range as a Word document, make sure to include the table column headers. If you prefer to save the entire sheet, you can do so, but saving just the table data will yield a more presentable format. After entering the name of the Word document, click OK on the dialog box that appears. Finally, just as we did with the PDF document, navigate to the folder and open the Word document with the name you specified.